Just cut apart the heater core from my daughter's 2012 Chrysler 200 Limited with the 3.6. Cold as hell inside. One side, the right side of the heater box, blowing ice cold air. So as you can see, this is the crap that's in there. Apparently from factory to stop any precautions for leaks. Now, I tell you, I've never seen shit like this before. It's like peanut butter. 2/3 of this heater core packed solid peanut butter. And again, 6-hour job to replace the heater core in the Chrysler 200. Chrysler, do something about this. Everyone I've ever seen, everybody I've talked to has had the same goddamn problem. Fix your mistake.